So I went hunting this morning. Didn't see not one deer. Nothing. Nada. Saw a bunch of squirrel. That was it. Man, and it was cold. Well, around here it was cold. Us southern boys don't do real good in cold weather. 28 degrees was kind of rough this morning. Anyway, figured while I was out there, go ahead and put a couple bags of corn out. Getting toward the end of the season, go ahead and throw the rest of what I had, throw it out there. And plus give me a chance to get around there and, you know, look around, look for any scrapes or anything within the area, which this time of year is not going to be a whole lot of scraping going on, but there's going to be a whole lot of tracks going on. Didn't see much of nothing. Anyway, on the way back putting corn out, little hole in the ground, old stump in the woods that rotted out, hit it with a mini bike, knocked front tire off the bead, off the rim. Well, these little tires, they run like 10 pounds PSI, and this one was probably getting a little low, so it probably didn't have about 2 or 3 pound PSI in it, because I'm lazy, or have been lazy. And anyway, knocked tire off the rim. I'll show you a little trick to get these tires back on the rim. This will work for car tires, although on car tires you might have to double up on straps. Not a big fan of using starter fluid. I've seen the sidewall get split on a brand new tire, somebody doing that. So this is kind of the way I do it. I ain't no professional, I ain't got no damn tire shop. I'm just putting it back on the rim so we can keep on getting it. Here we go. Alright, now, as you can see, come off the rim. Yeah, I could shoot some starter fluid in there and pop it back out, but I'd rather not do that. The way I'm going to do it has its own dangers. I'll show you that. And I have a specialized tool that reduces that risk. But it's pretty simple. I mean, it's a low pressure tire. There's nothing in there, no inner tube. What I've done is I've already got up under here and cleaned the rim out real good. So all I need now is some soapy water and a ratchet strap. I got soapy water here, and guys, if you old ladies got a bunch of makeup brushes, man, they work good in the workshop. Just don't let her know I got it. All I'm gonna do is take just soapy water, go around this rim good. Like I said, you can do this on a car tire or something bigger, but it's just gonna take more straps and more care. This little trick could help you in the woods, or side the road, wherever. I'm sure some of y'all that's watching this has done this before, so it probably ain't nothing new to y'all. This is just for people that ain't never seen it. There we go, soapy water in there. Now, the bead's still good on the other side of the tire. It hadn't come unsat from the other side. It's just this top side, or the side that I got up on top, is giving me the problem. I'll take this here ratchet strap when I get it untangled. I'll tell you right now, if I ever had to jump out of an airplane, there's a couple of things that I want besides the parachute. I want an air hose, an extension cord, water hose, or a ratchet strap, because it's going to catch on something, always. That's just the way it is. You'd be just as good with an air hose jumping out of an airplane. Alright, get the ratchet strap around the center of the tire, as close to the center as you can get it, and this stupid hook's on the back keep trying to fall down. There we go. I think I got it. I just start cranking. Crank a little bit more. That's pushed our bead up. As you can see, now we got kind of the tires pushing up on it on the rim, so should seal up. And that's because of your ratchet strap in the middle. Now, let's blow this booger up, see if we can seat the bead. Another thing on this tire, it says do not exceed 20 pounds to seat the bead. So we're going to try not to exceed 20 pounds. Whew, y'all see that? Pop right up on the bead. Alright, there's 2 little puffs. Let's see what kind of... We ain't got nothing in there yet. Alright, now I think we're seating. Well, either that or I might need a new gauge. That booger was stuck. I think I need a new gauge. Anyway, here we are. The bead has come up and set itself because of the pressure here pushed up on the sidewall some. Now we got the bead sat. Now here's the fun part. You got to get this thing off before you blow this tire up. And it will bite the hell out of your fingers if you ain't careful. So what I do is I get this booger about loose a little bit. Just like that. And she tends to jump and slam that lever if you got too much pressure in it. I don't think it's going to do that this time, but don't just barehanded take this thing and slap it down, because it can bite you. I use my high-tech ratchet strap remover tool here and break my strap. Come on, come on. There we go. Here we go. Alright, she came loose and she didn't bite me. If she had any more pressure in her than what she got, that thing will jump and it will get you. Trust me, I know. I have donated a fingernail to that little action before. So here we go. Tire set back on the bead. Now we can set it. Make sure we set it. They say to 20 pounds. $20 to set, 10 pounds to run. Ah, hell, my gauge don't even start reading till 10 pounds. That explains a lot. 15 pounds. That's 20 pounds. Now I'm gonna give her a few love taps around the edge. Might help her out. Might not make a difference. I don't know. Alright. Bead is set, whatever you want to call it. Tire's good. We're going to let air out until we get to where we're supposed to be. Which is around 10 pounds for this tire. Alright. Done. That's how you set the bead back on the rim with a ratchet strap. Hopefully it'll help. Hopefully you won't have to use this trick. You'll just have perfect tires for the rest of your life. But, you know, we can all dream, can't we? Y'all have a good one.